The tendency that someone that betrayed you before will betray you again is higher than the person not betraying you again. And if anybody betrays you twice in this your lifetime, you are the fool, not the person. Forgiveness does not mean second chance. You can forgive someone without giving the person a second chance. The person might have changed, no problem. Let the person use his or her changed behavior with other people, not with you. If your trust is earned easily, then you will die early. Nobody should earn your trust easily, and they should know it. Show it that because I have this relationship with you, this is where you end. Because I have to trust me, all these things are security system. It sounds commonsensical, but that's security system. Avoid what our people will call safe finish. You are safer when people fear you more than when people love you. People are quick to kill people who they love to get what they want. But nobody wants to destroy those who they fear because they do not know what you come. If people know that you are something and you are capable of hurting them, they will be careful before they hurt you. Wise up.